More frequent high winds, storms, and extreme weather have pushed producers beyond traditional production systems toward growing solutions built for performance and resilience. Cravo's automated greenhouses, cooling houses, and field coverings are designed for these conditions, giving you a reliable system built to withstand winds between 100 and 200 kilometers per hour when closed. Reinforced woven roof coverings hold strong against the updrafts that can tear through regular greenhouse poly. Coverings generally last 8 to 12 years, even under repeated exposure to extreme conditions. With a proven track record of withstanding more than 26 hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons worldwide, Cravo systems continue to perform in the most demanding environments. And with roofs that can be opened or closed within 6 minutes, you can respond quickly when conditions change, protecting your crop, reducing damage, and keeping your harvest on track. Cravo delivers protection you can count on, storm after storm.